Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, February 24th. Today, we will do a practice called Where Are My Feet? This is a grounding practice that helps engage the parasympathetic nervous system. It comes from trauma therapy, where clients are often encouraged to bring awareness to the feet as a way to calm the mind by getting the attention the furthest away from the racing thoughts. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your mind, your heart. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be natural, and just notice how this natural breath flows through your body, how your body responds to it. Now notice what is going on in your mind. Is it calm? Is it agitated? What is the quality of your thoughts right now? And now we'll do a very detailed scan of your feet. During the scan, I encourage you to feel all the parts of your feet I'll be calling, as opposed to picturing them, imagining them. And at the same time, don't worry if you cannot feel every little detail. As it is with everything else, it's just a matter of practice. So now, bring your feeling awareness to your feet. Feel your right foot, the sole of your right foot, the top of the right foot, the right heel, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and the little toe. Feel the entire right foot now. All the sensations in your right foot at once. Now bring your feeling awareness to your left foot. Feel the sole of the foot, the top of the foot, the left heel, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Feel the entire left foot now. All the sensations in your left foot at once. Now feel both feet, soles of the feet, tops of your feet, both heels, all the toes on both feet. And all the sensations in both feet at once. Now bring your awareness back to your mind. Now Is your mind calm or agitated? What is the quality of your thoughts after feeling your feet? There may or may not be a difference, and don't worry if there isn't. It's just paying attention that we are after. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself with gratitude for doing this practice, for being here. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. Gently let go of this practice, and as always, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this practice. Consider how you're going to remind yourself to feel your feet throughout the day. For example, you can put a sticky note on your computer if you use it, or set a reminder on your phone, or use any other awareness trigger you have discovered that work well for you. If you use a reminder or sticky note, you can write the simple question, where are my feet? And whenever you remember to check in with your feet, feel how they are resting. Maybe do a detailed scan like we did right now, and allow the body and mind to settle for a few moments. And then move on with your day until you remember to do this practice again. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.